Understanding Costume Guidelines, a guide for events and parties. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that often pops up whenever events, parties, or certain formal gatherings are involved: costume guidelines. These guidelines can sometimes be confusing, especially for non-native English speakers. So, let's break it down together, ensuring that the next time you encounter this term, you'll know exactly what it means and how to comply. Stay tuned as we explore the ins and outs of costume guidelines. Costume guidelines refer to a set of rules or recommendations provided by event organizers regarding the attire or costumes that guests are expected to wear to an event. These guidelines are important because they help ensure that everyone's attire is appropriate for the occasion, theme, or venue. Whether it's a formal dinner, a themed party, or a professional conference, understanding and following these guidelines is key to fitting in and enjoying the event. Costume guidelines serve multiple purposes. Maintain decorum. They help maintain a certain level of decorum and respect for the event's theme, venue, and other guests. Enhance atmosphere. By adhering to a specific dress code, guests contribute to the atmosphere and immersive experience of themed events. Avoid discomfort. They prevent guests from feeling out of place or uncomfortable by being either overdressed or underdressed. Understanding the why behind these guidelines can make it easier to appreciate their importance and adhere to them. 1. Formal wear. This might include tuxedos, suits, evening gowns, or cocktail dresses, often for galas or formal receptions. 2. Casual dress. A more relaxed dress code that still requires guests to look neat and presentable. 3. Themed attire. Specific to parties or events with a particular theme, e.g., 1920s, superheroes, etc., where guests are expected to dress according to the theme. 4. Cultural attire. For events celebrating specific cultures or traditions, where traditional clothing might be encouraged or required. Read carefully. Always read the guidelines provided by the event organizers carefully. Ask for clarification. If you're unsure about the guidelines, don't hesitate to ask the organizer for more details. Plan ahead. Give yourself plenty of time to prepare your outfit to avoid last-minute stress. When in doubt, overdress. If you're unsure about the level of formality, it's generally better to be slightly overdressed than underdressed. We hope this guide has shed some light on costume guidelines and why they're such an integral part of many events. Remember, these guidelines are there to help everyone enjoy the event to its fullest, ensuring that you're comfortably in sync with the occasion's vibe. So, the next time you receive an invitation with costume guidelines, you'll know exactly what to do. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.